The Golden Secrets of Drawing number 2. You are not starting to draw from scratch. You already know how to draw. You did lots of drawing throughout your childhood, carefree, relaxed and uninhibited. Like riding a bike, you never lose those essential skills. You may be a bit rusty, but you can soon get back in the saddle. At around 11 years old, we begin to compare our work with others, not knowing that the kid in class who was great at drawing had artists as parents. They weren't allowed to watch TV or waste time playing games or chatting on their phone. All they did at home was draw. No wonder they were good. Around that age, teenage pressures start setting in and school gets more academic. If you didn't feel you were the arty type, you probably didn't feel comfortable in art class. Or worse, your art teacher maybe said you were no good and kicked you out. The only drawings required at school were science diagrams, where you only gained marks for correct labelling. Forget about the years you missed. You could carry on where you left off right now. You may wobble a bit, but you still have the basics that you learned as a child. The Golden Secrets of Drawing book has a plain white soft vinyl finish cover. I think of this book as a comfort blanket for creative people who need a little bit of a confidence boost. In time, I imagine your book will become scuffed and covered in graphite thumbprints and coffee rings. You can get the book from the Amazon links below. As well as being the author, I'm also an Amazon affiliate, so I'll get a royalty and affiliate fee, but you will pay no extra. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. Here's an idea. How about a key? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.